Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your credit score with Experian. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to get your free credit report and FICO score. How do you actually go ahead and use Experian in order to do that? So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto Experian.com. Next, scroll down where it says let's get started. Then from here, you want to go ahead and enter the last four numbers of your social security number and also your mobile phone number. So at this point, you just simply need to follow the on-screen prompts and sign up for an account on Experian. Now, once you want to log in to Experian, just simply log in and you should see a page that looks like this. So it's going to ask you to upgrade your account, but you do not need to upgrade your account. Go ahead and scroll down, click on No, Keep My Current Membership. And right away, you should see your credit score report over here. So you'll see that your score went up or that your score has went down. Now keep in mind, because you're on the free plan of Experian, you only get your FICO score. You don't get your EQ or 2 score. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your credit report using Experian. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.